Hi everyone. In the previous video we discussed how to prevent lower back pain and improve your posture. In this video we're going to focus on strengthening your shoulders and upper back. Now our lifestyles are such that we spend a lot of time in front of a screen, we spend a lot of time hunched over in a slouched position. Now this leads to bad posture. It puts a lot of pressure on your discs, especially on your neck and your upper back. It compresses your spine, you lose mobility in your shoulders, your muscles become short and tight. This leads to neck pain, it leads to various other cervical conditions. But this can easily be corrected. While stretching is a great way to relieve tension, to relieve all the accumulated tension, it's equally important to strengthen the muscles which are responsible for maintaining good posture. So let me show you what the exercises are. These are going to be very simple exercises. You can do this on a chair, you can do this at work. That's why I'm showing this to you sitting down. All right. Aim to hold each position for about 10 to 30 seconds, and you can do this 2 or 3 times a day. The first one, just pull your arms up over your head. And I don't want you just holding your arms up here, I want you to elevate your shoulder blades. So here I'm lifting my shoulder blades all the way up. So I want you to observe this. I'm trying to bring my shoulder towards my ear. I'm trying to cover my ears with my shoulders. Hold for as long as you can and slowly let go. Next, hold your arms out to the sides and elevate your shoulder blades this way. Again, I don't want any arm movement. I don't want your arms moving up and down. I want you to lift your shoulder blades all the way up. When you do this right, you'll feel a contraction on your trapezius, the muscles just under your neck. When these muscles are strong, they provide a lot of stability to the neck. So hold for a second or two and then drop. Again, elevate your shoulder blades, maintain the contraction for 1 or 2 seconds and drop. Aim for about 30 seconds. Next, hold your arms out here. I want your palms facing each other. Make fists. Your elbows are in line with your shoulders. And then pull your arms back as much as you can, as hard as you can. When you do this, you want to feel a solid contraction on your upper and mid back. Pinch your shoulder blades together, retract your shoulder blades together, push your chest all the way out. It's also a great stretch for your chest and the front of your shoulders. Try to hold this for a minimum of 10 seconds and gradually build it up to 30 seconds. And once you're done with these 3, just stretch your shoulder. The simple stretch, pull your arm across your chest this way. And about 30 seconds on each side. So practicing these simple techniques every day will not only correct bad posture, but it will also prevent the buildup of stress in your muscles and your joints. So just be consistent with your practice and you will see great results. Now, if you wish to practice yoga with us on a daily basis, please download the Artistic Yoga app. Here we do detailed sessions every day, and in every class we work on the back and we work on posture correction, and at least once a week we do an exclusive back class where we focus on every aspect of strengthening and stretching your back, improving your posture and improving the mobility of your spine. Links are in the description. Take good care of yourself and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.